Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on chocolate, Cherries, and cherry chocolate bar. Uh, this is a chocolate candy bar that Destination's Delight, also known as Crystal Wagner, sent to me a while back, and I'm just now getting ready to try it. It's got 3 servings per package, but of course, probably once I open it, I will probably wound up eating the whole thing. Probably, um, because I'm thinking once you open it, there's not gonna be any way to close it up. So. And it's got 140 calories per serving, 420 per package. So, anyway, I've never, I like spicy stuff, and I've never had this type before. And I'm also going to have my cup of coffee with it as well. Good coffee. So, taste test, here we go. So I'm gonna try to get this open first. And I want to thank Destination's Delight for sending this out. It's very much appreciated. Because y'all know me and food. I do like to try different types of food and taste test. So let's see, I should have had this open already, but I hope everyone has had a good day today. I know I'm making it kind of like a lengthy vlog, but I don't mean to. Um, but anyway, guys, and I hope everyone is staying safe out in the snowstorm. Thankfully, I do not have to be at school until about 10:30 in the morning, or 10 o'clock at least. Let's put it that way, 10 o'clock, because classes don't start till 10:30. Normally they would start at 9, but they're on a delay, on a snow schedule delay. And I hope everyone is being safe and safe travels, and only go out as if you absolutely have to, because you don't want to you don't want to take a chance on risking other people's lives and putting other people in danger along with yourself. Taste test, here we go. Here's what it looks like. Dunkin' coffee here. Mmm. Mm. It's got a really good dark chocolate flavor, and I can taste the I can taste the cherries. It kind of reminds me of those um, brand of I can't remember what the brand of cherries that you actually can buy, and they come around. That comes around cherry cordials. Cherry cordials. Uh, the chocolate covered cherries, and but it doesn't have very much heat. It's got more it's got more chocolate covered cherry flavor than it does heat. But on a scale of 1 to 10, it's definitely a 10 though. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Mm. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of this candy bar. And I'm gonna go ahead and read the facts off here. Um, it has, like I said, serving size is a third of the bar, which I've already ate half of it already. So, because it's really good. And it also broke on me. Um, but it's got 140 calories per serving, 420 calories per package. Um, Sodium 0, cholesterol 0, saturated fat 5 grams um, per serving. Now it's 16 grams per package. Trans fat 0. So total fat 9 grams per serving, and um, 27 grams per package. Total carbs 18 per serving. Um, 54 grams per package. Dietary fiber 2 grams per serving. 6 grams per package. Total sugars 14 grams per serving. 43 grams per package. And it also includes its added sugar, 12 grams per serving, and 37 grams per package. And protein is 1 gram per serving and 4 grams per package. Okay. Excuse me. Vitamin D, 0.0%, 0.0 milligrams, 4% per serving, and 1.9 milligrams, 10% per package, and then calcium, 10 grams per serving, and 30 milligrams per package is 2%. Okay. And then potassium is 150 milligrams per serving and 440 milligrams per package. So, and yeah. And iron, 3.2 milligrams and per serving, and 9.7 milligrams per package. Okay. But anyway, guys, this is called chocolate, chilies, and cherries, and dark chocolate. And this is really good stuff. Anyway, guys, if you're not connected with Destinations Delight, I highly recommend going over there, checking out their channel, and watch a video, leave a comment, and if you like what you see, smash that red button, ring the notification bell, because they do awesome adventure vlogs. They sometimes do cooking vlogs. It's Crystal Wagner and Miss O, her daughter. They both share the channel together, called Destinations Delight, and Miss O is very entertaining. She has a great sense of humor about herself, and I love her personality. And she's just a great person. I look forward to the day that I get to meet her and her mom together. I've met her mom, but I haven't got to meet her daughter. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of my chocolate bar, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.